In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or archive a bank account in Xero. To get started, open Xero and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard or main workspace. From here, the process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to make sure you are selecting the correct account before making any changes. Especially if you are working with multiple bank accounts inside your chart of accounts. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu and select Accounting. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Chart of Accounts. This section shows the full list of accounts in your Xero organization, including bank accounts, expense accounts, revenue accounts, and more. You will want to find the specific bank account you want to manage from this list. Once you've located the correct bank account, check the box next to it. This tells Xero which account you want to take action on. After selecting it, go to the top menu and click Delete. Xero will then ask you to confirm the action. Click OK to confirm. Keep in mind that deleting an account is a permanent action in many cases. So it's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the right bank account before proceeding. If your goal is simply to remove the account from active use without fully deleting it, archiving may be the better option. To archive a bank account instead, stay in the same area of the chart of accounts. Select the bank account by checking the box next to it, then choose Archive from the menu. When the confirmation message appears, click OK to confirm. Archiving is useful when you no longer want the account to appear as active, but you still want to keep its historical information in your records. This can be especially helpful for old or unused bank accounts that you don't need on a day-to-day basis anymore. It helps keep your account list cleaner and easier to manage, while still preserving important accounting history. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.